At since galing Davao ang plants, nakikipabili na rin tayo ng pomelo. Yan, isang box. At meron din po tayong pasalubong na tableya at durian. Nasaan ba yung durian? Ayun, nandun yung durian. Ito yung durian. Ayun. Hindi pa siya masyadong maamoy. Good morning, Tan Kids. It's the next day. So, you remember from the last vlog yesterday that I have plants that arrived straight from Davao by Mr. B. Thanks again, Mr. B and Sir Robert, for bringing this plant directly from Davao to Antipolo by land. Thank you very much. So, I will be repotting them today. Join me. Let's start. Since at the moment, we only have a few pots. We only have 4 here and 3 here. So that's 7 pots. We will try to pot lang yung mga kaya natin. Okay? So, here, bababa natin ito muna. Okay. Here, since mukhang mas marami ito muna yung tatanggalin natin. Okay? Since malaki ito, pasong ito, we got a bigger basin. Para we can reuse some of the soil. Ayan, nahila na natin yung Adansonii. Ngayon, ito, gusto to ni Sir Robert. So, we will propagate this now. Tinatanggal muna natin yung lupa para alam natin kung saan natin bibiyakin ng ugat. Itong mga ganitong halaman, madali lang itong i-propagate kasi kumakalat yung ugat lang niya sa ilalim ng lupa. So if you will be able to get a part of this plant, ayan o, bulbs din siya, nakikita ko na, then madali nyo pong mapopropagate ito. Ayan. So unahin na natin to, may makukuha tayong bulbs ng caladium. Gusto rin to nila Ma'am Ruby, kaya isa-save ko ito. Ayun o, may bulbs siya. So we will keep this. And then we will continue to harvest the bulbs. So I am seeing multiple. Ayan. Ito, may magkahiwalay na bulb na to, kaya madali na natin there. So, ayan o, meron pang interconnecting na isang, ayun, ako. So yan, 2 separate plants ulit. Okay? So bibigay natin sa kanila yung may flower na. Total, dinamay lang naman nila tayo. Ito yung atin. Okay? Para di sayang ang lupa, gagamitin natin ang lupa. I-divide naman natin ay itong ado. Yan. Meron na natin yung weeds. And rotado. Ito, ano to, mukhang matanda na to. Maganda na kanyang root system. As you can see, oh. So ito yung mother niya. Okay? So definitely, pwede na siyang i-divide. Hanapin lang natin yung pinaka mother ugat. Ayan o, it's well rooted. So this is really good. Easy to break off. Dito ka lang din. Yeah. As you can see, these two have this, their own root system. Okay? So ito, since sila Ma'am Ruby nga nilagay sa atin ito, ilalagay na rin natin ito. Then ito, ang atin. So, I usually have bottles like this. Mga iniwang sa labas, get filled up with rainwater. So yun itong nagawin natin. So make sure na meron nakalagog na ugat. Yung mga pag-ibig sila. Lalagay natin. Yan. Okay? So that's it. Okay na yan. And it will live. We will just wait. Makikita niyo naman dito kung magkakaroon siya ng mga bagong puting ugat. Okay? Pag meron na nun, pwede na siyang i-replant to soil. Okay? Now let's see that the plants that we have potted. So ito na po yung ating mga halaman na pinot at nirepot at dinivide ngayong umaga. Ito po yung mga makakauwi na kaagad kala Miss Ruby as requested. Yung itong, I don't know, this beautiful flower, and then this caladium, and then the Adansonii, and then the Aglaonema. And then here naman po sa baba yung iba. So the rest, ang bilin po sa atin ni Sir Robert ay pag nanganak na siya, tsaka sila bibigyan. So aalagaan na po muna natin yan, yung sensation, itong, ang ganda nito, hindi ko lang alam kung ano to eh. Fern ba to o Anthurium? Comment down below para po malaman natin yung pangalan niya. And then our Green Imperial, and then our Aglaonema, parang Red Legacy siya eh, so I don't know what. And then our so-called Black Cardinal, and then our Portulaca, our Strawberry Syngonium, or if not, please comment down below. And then our share of the flowering plant, and then our agave. So yan po ang ating kaganapan ngayong umaga sa garden. As you can see here, yan, dito tayo sa outdoor garden ngayon. Nakapag-gupit-gupit na po ako ng mga dried leaves, yung mga nag-yellow, yan. So yan, medyo malinis na everywhere. Ngayon, ito, I'm gonna show you something sa ating Mayana area. As you can see, yung Mayanas natin nagtataasan na naman. So it is time again for Putol Tusok, Operation Putol Tusok. Ayan. So baka next week or mamayang gabi or kailang may time tayo na gabi, anytime any day this week, gagawin natin yan. Madali lang naman eh, as long as we do it in the evening para hindi masyado maapektuhan ng ating mga mayana. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching Plant Tatay Barry here at YouTube. Please do not hesitate to follow as well our other media platforms. We have Plant Tatay in Facebook and Plant Tatay Barry in Instagram. Okay, do not click the notification bell for next episodes to get notified of the next episode. Okay, bye Plant Kids.